Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sony, and if you are new to this channel, then please consider subscribing. I post videos on makeup, fashion and lifestyle, and today we are going to do a challenge of 3 minutes makeup, and let's see if we can pass it or not. So let's just start. I have this phone with me where you can see the timer. So I'll be setting the timer for 3 minutes, and let's see if I can complete this makeup in 3 minutes or not, or I'll be pass or fail. So let's just start the makeup, and I have everything lying in front of me, so that would save my time. So without wasting any more time, let's just dive into the video. So I'm pressing this oh, by the way, I got my ring light today, so do let me know after watching this video how the quality is. And I'll be ordering mic also, because I need my voice quality should be better if you are guys listening. So let's just start this button. So it's started. Oh god, first I need to apply concealer, because that's how I do. One minute left. Finish the foundation. So I'll be using very less, not too much. Alright, so my base is done. Let's just apply some. I'm not going to apply the powder. Let's just apply directly blush, and let's just use this brush. Oh god, this is too much. I have applied a lot without even dusting off. Let's just blend this with the blending brush. Alright, now let's apply what is it next? Next is highlighter. I'm going crazy. I'm not getting the brush to apply highlighter. Let's just apply. Where is my brush actually? Oh, I gave it. Oh, there. Okay, so highlighter is done. Let's just move on to the eyebrows, and for this I'm using this NYX professional eyebrow pencil. You need to brush it down. What I'm doing, I don't know. I'm taking this base color. Anyways, I'm failed. So let's just complete this makeup, by the way. very bad. Let's just use this lipstick icon. Alright guys, so this was the makeup which I did. It's not actually bad, but who can complete in 3 minutes? I don't know. I am so failed, completely failed in this, and I'm going to try this again someday, and let's see if we can complete in future or not. But for me it's a complete failed. I lost brutally. And anyways, if you enjoy this makeup with me, then do let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, then hit that like button. And if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing and be a part of my family. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, bye. And another haul is coming your way, so I'll be doing, I think, maybe Urban Outfitters, and yeah, I think that is Urban Outfitters, so stay tuned for that, and I'll be posting that, I think, in coming week. So yeah, and before this there is one makeup video lined up for you. So yeah, if you are enjoying my channel, then please guys hit that subscribe button and give me some hope for this channel. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, bye. I love you all.